Now this one is, and this one here are pretty special. These are some really old, kind of old, aged up, barn fresh. That one's got a dirt dauber nest still on it. These are pretty, really, I like these a lot because they're old. They've seen some stuff. So I feel like I've got all different types of boxes, but somebody special, somebody that's really helped me out is going to get these two here, I think. So now all of these have the hole in them for the 1/4-inch jack. This 1/4-inch jack will fit right in that hole. On the ones with the really thick tops, we're gonna have to go in there and maybe grind some down to make sure these fit. Now these also are some kind of special boxes. A good friend of mine got me these. I got several of them, and they don't look like much. I know they're just cardboard boxes, but again, they're really old. I feel like they've seen some history and some life in them, so I can make them work. I'm gonna add some extra bracing inside of these that I won't have to do in the sturdier boxes, but they will be electric and they will work. These are my Piezo pickups. I made these from these 27mm Piezo elements and these mono 1/4-inch guitar jacks. Both of these items are available at GITTY Crafter Supply.